All right, everybody, here is core bites number 164. For the first one, it says list the factor pairs of 110. So basically what you're doing is you're multiplying numbers to get that number. Okay, so you always start with 1. So 1 times 110 will give you 110. You could also do 2 times 55. You could also do 5 times 22. And you could also do 10 times 11. Okay, so those would be your factor pairs for 110. For number 2, how do you write this number using words? So you would write it, and make sure you check your spelling, guys. So you would say 2 million, add your comma, 400,000, add your other comma, and then you would say 50. So altogether it would be 2,400,050. For the next one, which has, we have number 3. So this one says, Chance ran 7/8 of a mile and jogged 3/8 of a mile. How much farther did he run than jog? So you have the same denominator, so all you have to do is subtract 7/8 minus 3/8. Your denominator is still going to be 8. 7 minus 3 is 4, and you can actually simplify that to be 1/2. So he did a half more over the jogging. Then to the next one, which has a greater area. So for area, if you remember, your formula is length times width. Okay? So here we have 8 times 5, which would give you 40 feet squared. And then this one you would have 9 times 4, which would give you 36 feet squared. So if you're looking at both of those guys, A would be the larger one, okay? And then your last one, true or false. So it says a parallelogram with congruent sides is a rhombus, okay? So a parallelogram is anything that has 2 sets of parallel sides. Congruent means they're all the same. So parallelogram, congruent, and then a rhombus. Okay, so a rhombus is like a square, but it's just sideways. Okay, so all of those would be true. So the answer is true. Okay, all right, guys, check yours. Let us know if you have any questions.